Hello guys, with my bangs. Today we're gonna go for a walk because it's Monday. Is it Monday today?
Yeah.
Or Sunday?
Monday.
Okay, today is Monday and it's holiday, so we're off from work. So we're gonna go for a walk. It's gonna be a great day. Oh, wait, Martin, isn't that so crazy that the other day it was just cold and dark and snow, and suddenly today it's not warm, but the sun is up.
+5.
Yeah, but the sun is up and the sky is blue. It's just beautiful, right?
So next weekend it should be really spring.
Ooh.
Up to 23 degrees.
Really?
Yeah, but you don't believe that, but that's...
Oh
maybe
my
15.
god, I'm so excited. Oh really, today is so beautiful. I mean, it's been months of dark, gray and cold. Martin,
You know what's up?
how do you feel that your laugh is already
Oh my god,
in
stop.
YouTube?
Stop with that laugh.
Why?
I got a question. You want to go near the beach or you want to go near the woods?
I think we have to go.
Remember when the place we went with Morton, you can also go out there and walk in the woods there.
Okay, then we do that. But be sure we're not gonna get lost.
I cannot promise you anything.
Okay. No, we're not gonna get lost, I'm so sure. We're gonna walk to the beach.
I've never been there.
Me too, it's my first time. But it looks like there's a lot of people. Is
Yeah,
it a
of course.
famous place? No, not really.
I knew it was here, but I never took this one. We've been going left most all the time. But more.
Okay. Now we're here. I don't know exactly what place is this, but
Kattegat Zoo.
is this Kadigatsu also?
Yeah, this is.
Oh, it's nice then. So the place that we visited before was Kattegat 1.
Zoo also.
Okay, then it's just one big connection line.
Yes.
Okay, now we're gonna go out and we try to have a nice walk in this beautiful, beautiful weather. And this is the man who had the crazy laugh.
Crazy.
But now he looks very serious.
I am so serious.
He's a very serious man.
Serious. Bye.
So this is like the whole area. Welkom to Velaheim. Oh, so this are the... It's like we could see this snake in here, there, and then there's that bird. Plant.
That's the only snake in Denmark who's poisoned.
Is this one?
We got two different kind of snake. Hogorm and the other one called the snow.
Then what is it called? This
Hogorm.
one. Hogomen. Hogomen.
Yeah, hogorm.
That Hogomen. I don't know. So that's the only snake that's poisonous here in Denmark. Okay, that's a little knowledge for today. So in here you can actually bring your dog, but no car and bicycle allowed via this area here. Now we go for a walk. It's cold though.
Well, wait until you gotta get out here. Then it's gonna get cold.
Oh well. Do we go there or maybe we go up there so we can see the whole view. Oh.
No one standing on the top there.
So you feel like, Oydong, is this what, there is like a nudist Notice.
It's that way.
So in that way, people are naked. Oh, can we go there then? It's summer. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
My gosh! You don't? Pero video you also don't. Smile, Martin. Ooh. Hi. Look here. And wave to me. Like it's your first time seeing a beautiful woman. Fuck off. Oh. It's a beautiful day. I mean, okay, I came from the Philippines. I grew up there. And of course, in the Philippines, there's always sun, and you never really appreciate things like that because it's like before I experience it almost every day, so it's just normal. But when you actually, but then when I traveled here and live here in Denmark, and they actually experience sun very little during summers only and a little bit on spring, and that's the time you start to appreciate the sun, the sunshine.
You hear
I
the
love
sound?
it. What sound?
Shower.
Whoa. Yeah. Dong, at Fleming's place dong ba? During winter, you know, there are actually people who swim during winter. I mean, I've seen it myself, and they were naked. And they're not like old people, they're young, you know, like teenagers and all that. And you know what the old man do? He will have his telescope. What is it called?
Binocular.
Yeah, binocular. He got it, and then he will just sit there and watch them. And I was saying, and then I asked him, then you think some, like, you know, at some point of your life, of course, you also think that, okay, I'm just gonna go and swim there. Siya, no, never. It's not for me. It's like too cold. But other people are doing it regularly because for health reason.
I do it every day.
That's crazy. I mean, somehow I can understand, but why do you need to be naked?
Are you recording?
No, I'm not.
Nope.
Yes, I am. It's a nice view. But why do you need to be naked to do it? Really? And I've seen it myself. And then he said,
Because you're in so shortly, and if you have wet clothes, it actually feels very cold when you get up.
ah,
So
yeah.
it's better to be naked.
Okay.
It's not a...
But I got like so shocked. Huh? Why people doing that? I mean, they did it like it's just normal, you know, just be naked there and swim very fast and come out, and these are young, beautiful people. Okay.
And then we turn back. What's that with you?
No, it's not.
That's what we gotta do.
Nope. We're gonna walk far more. We have to walk like 5,000.
Banana.
No.
It will be... Just look at it when we get down there.
Let's see when we cross there. I will decide when we're already there.
Okay.
I I'm the decision maker in this relationship.
But luckily, I'm the one who got the car from the... Wait, can you drive a car?
Yes, I can.
Do you got a key for
Yeah,
the car?
I can drive a car. But I don't, but the problem, the question is if we can go home. If I drive the car, we can go home. Maybe we're gonna go, maybe we're gonna go to the other side. if I drive. I got a key, I got an extra key.
34 seconds, distance 066 kilometer.
People are really walking, they don't know. I mean, imagine they're enjoying their life walking here. Imagine if they're in Philippines, right? And they're just wearing shorts and, you know.
This also got some kind of charm, right?
Time
yeah, that's
45
also right.
minutes, 0 seconds, distance 068
It's not full
kilometer.
of stupid tourists, it's not so warm.
Yeah.
The air is fresh.
Yeah, it's actually, that I agree. It's fresh air. And it's like so clean and, you know, like you got... It's already, I'm Martin, but you gotta see me in the...
I can.
What?
Run. Run.
Why you are there?
Run.
Ayaw. Look at me. What are you doing? Oh, my husband he needs to rest a bit. Hoy, there's a chair there. Oh, it's a lot easier. There's a stairs there. What's up?
What's up?
They put it so high now. Before it was not that high. Hala, there's a watch.
It's a watch.
Maybe it's a treasure. We don't do that because maybe someone is swimming right now. No?
No, this is somebody who found it and put it there. Maybe somebody...
Time 55 minutes, 0 seconds,
Okay.
distance 118 kilometer.
Many steps.
Yeah. That one in there is a small boat. Yeah, there you go.